All right, we're back at Caleb's, and hopefully the car may be done today. I don't know.
Maybe.
Who knows? Caleb's new doggo is here. Come here. Want to be on YouTube?
He's like, I'm a Vimeo kind of dog.
He's a Vine kind of guy.
Catch me on Twitch. Hey, Twitchy.
What kind of dog is he, Caleb?
Whippet Husky mix.
Whippet.
Kangaroo man. Look, he pushes his butt into me. So that
He's like, rabbit.
he's doing it to you now. Rabbit!
I don't want to get you a grease butt.
Grease butt? Mmm, big stretch. Alright, so there's the alternator bracket. Pulled that off real quick just so we could get it on without having to mess with the alternator. There's the alternator.
Hi.
Okay, alternator's on. It was a bitch to get on. It's always a bitch.
Yeah. It's weird. It's like that, and then you slip it over a bracket that's like that. But for some reason, it's always too narrow to go over the bracket, so you have to like wiggle it, and it sucks.
Yeah.
Just using hand tools today.
Yeah. Oh, you really need. Our pulley in the way.
The world's least effective gear drive system.
Yeah. No bite to this one.
This is a 0 tooth. Maybe I should come back to these with a ratchet. Probably won't.
Yeah. Say you will now and don't.
Yeah. As long as I say that I will on camera, it's good.
Yeah. Right, Kiko. He's punching you.
Don't punch. It's bad.
Get him. Get him, Kiko.
Bolting on the alternator all the way.
Yo, do you like Jimmy John's?
Love that guy. Why?
I had it today. It's good.
Like for the first time?
No. I'm trying to be a vegetarianism guy, and I had their veggie sandwich. It was fire.
Oh yeah, it's really good. Jimmy John and Jersey Michael. I like Jersey Michael more.
What about Jimmy Jonathan?
Jimmy Jonathan pretty not alright. Pretty not alright. He's alright.
Who would you rather fuck, Jimmy Jonathan or Jersey Michael?
Actually, Jersey Michael, I call him Joseph Michael. I said, oh, you want to go to Joseph Michael's today?
Yes.
I was like, yeah, Joseph Michael's. But it's either Jimmy Mike's or Johnny Max.
Yeah.
I think it's Joseph Michael. Big game poacher or some shit, I don't know.
Oh, really?
I don't know if he's like a big game poacher.
His name is Joseph?
Yeah, Joseph Michelle.
Oh my god.
I don't know. It's his first name is Jersey. His last name is Michael. No, the CEO or whatever.
Yeah.
Of Jimmy.
I thought there was a dude named Joseph.
There probably is somewhere. I forget who it is. Some sandwich guy kills big elephants or some shit.
Jimmy Johnson.
Yeah, I'm pretty. It is Jimmy
Johnson.
Huh?
Yeah, Jimmy Johnson definitely hunts. Kind of morally
Controversial.
a little not cool. Pretty killing.
Yeah, like giraffes and shit.
Yeah.
They're too cute to die.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, like if like dogs were less cute, you'd probably be shooting the fuck out of them.
And eating them.
Delicious.
Well, I mean, people hunt wolves.
I want to see Farland's dick.
After that, I'll give you something to
lick.
lick.
I want to fart on the sink. I think it'd be funny. Don't get spunk on the mink.
So I can't find the plug for the alternator. I think it's this, and it's just hard to snake down there because we plugged everything else in first.
Alright, so we're left with all these plugs that we don't know where they go, really.
Oh shit. There's just one plug that I don't know what was supposed to go to. This jumper fell off.
You excited for this car to overheat again? First drive.
Say that. Yo, if it overheats first drive, I'm like, Caleb, you like motorcycles? Give me.
I don't think Caleb wants it if it overheats first drive.
He said even overheats. You said it earlier. You said it earlier, Caleb.
Alright, we're very close. We're gonna finish this in the next video, probably, likely.
Yeah.
There's a couple little things to do.
Yeah. Just gotta come back another time because I'll work in the morning. But just gotta bolt this fan on. Should take like 2 seconds. Put on the intake. Put on the distributor, put on the radiator.
Time we don't have right now.
Yeah.
All right, we're back, and like we said last time, we don't have much to do today. Hopefully we can get it finished up because it's already kind of late. But DJ's already got the radiator in there. DJ's favorite clamp. Kiko! Yeah, come on. Come here. Come on, yeah, good doggy. Ew.
That's 240 junk. You want it? You know, I've never seen the air filter in this car.
It's probably nice and good.
Fine.
Oh, it looks pretty good.
It's actually not bad.
He wants to play.
Thanks for filming after I already did the initial spill.
Yep, putting oil in. That means we're getting real close. Ah.
Oh shit. Oh no. Fuck. I have no idea where it is.
I know where it's at.
Thank God.
It's like doing your oil and then not putting your drain plug back on. There's a chance it could start right now.
Yeah, since the last time Quentin filmed the clip, we finished it, took it for a drive, blew it up, put another motor in. So.
Okay.
Are you getting any fuel?
Do that again.
I didn't do that weird noise this
Did you
time.
hear that?
Yeah, I did the first time.
Okay, well, we gotta cut this one short.
See.
We'll be back when it starts.
It's easy, moving freely. One step falls another, let the breeze take me. Follow me into the sea.